So we have the Boys and Puberty pack here. As you can see, text descriptions on the front, but inside there are many images, and those images are a great way of being able to discuss what can be an embarrassing topic, but perfect for education in schools from Key Stage 2, but as well as Key Stage 3. Full lesson plan, activity, how to go through it, what each picture, you can describe it and work with the young people. Goes on the professional board, this one, because this is your A3 size, you have an A4 size that goes on the smaller school board. I'm going to speed up the video now and you'll be able to see all the magnets going on. So here we have the completed My BodyBoard Boys and Puberty set. There are actually a number of different facial images you can place up there so that we make sure that it's more relevant to whoever is in your class, your group, who you're speaking to. As you can see, lots of different magnets, things around, say, the goatee there on the throat, how that changes, the voice box, thinking about, you know, the way that our bodies change, hair, the smell, the difference that we have maybe in terms of our skin, lots of different areas. Gain information in your activity guide on each magnet and how you can speak about them. Remember, you don't have to place all the images up there. There are some more graphic images that are more relevant to an older age range as well. Just not place them on there. That's up to you. You use this pack for a younger age, maybe late Key Stage 2, through into Key Stage 3 and even 4. And you choose which magnets you want to place up and out there. So if you want to purchase the My BodyBoard Puberty for Boys set, please go to myeducationworld.co.uk. That's myeducationworld.co.uk.